Hello friends, today we shall discuss question number 3. Using divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. Let us take the question number A. The question number A is 297, 2, 9, 297, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4. Right? Now, what is the divisibility rule by 6? If a number is divisible by 2, if a number is divisible by 2, and also if the number is divisible by 3, then the number will be divisible by 6. Right? Now, what is the rule of divisibility? Divisibility rule is that if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is divisible by 2. Here you see the last number is 4. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Right? And if a number, if the sum of the numbers, sum of all, sum of all, we will do the sum of all these things, that is 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. Plus 1, 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. 23 plus 4, 27. You know that 27 is divisible by 3. 27 is divisible by 3. That is 3 9 is 27. 3 9 is 27. 3 9 is 27. That means the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 6. Is divisible by 3 also. Is divisible by 3. Is divisible by 3. Since the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, therefore this number 297114 will also be divisible by 6. That means 2, 9, 7, 1, 4, 4 is also divisible by 6. Is also divisible also divisible also divisible by 6. In this way we can find all the numbers, right? The next number is B. Let us take B. Now we'll do question number B. Question number B is 1 to 58. Let us take the question B. B is 1 to 58. 1, 2, 5, 8. Here you see the last digit is 8. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. 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 Now we'll test whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. The number is 1, 2, 5, 8. We'll add all the numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8. Okay, what you are getting, you see, that is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 8 16. Now 16 is not divisible by 3. You see 16 is not divisible by 3, that is 3 5 is 15, 3 5 is 15, and 16 minus 15 is 1, remainder is 1. You see, this is the remainder. Therefore, you can say that 1258 is not divisible by 3. That 1258, 1, 2, 5, 5, 8 is not divisible by 3, is not divisible, not divisible, not divisible by 3. And we know that according to divisibility rule, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6. Since the number 1258 is not divisible by 3, therefore the number 1258, 1, 2, 5, 8, 8 is not divisible by 6, is not divisible by 6. Okay, then we can say that 1258, it is divisible by 2 since the last digit is 8. And if we add all the numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 16. Right? And 16 is not divisible by 3 since the numbers 1 to 5 is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. Therefore, the number 1258 is not divisible by 6.